Hello viewers, myself Orkho Banerjee, lecturer of Civil Engineering Department in Mollabhum Institute of Polytechnic. Today I will discuss about self-filling bacterial concrete. Concrete is most widely used construction material because of its high compressive strength, relatively low cost. For that reason, concrete is most widely combined with steel rebars, restrict the cracks which they are mostly not designed to completely prevent cracks formation. To quantify the crack healing capacity of concrete with embedded biochemical self-healing agent, to investigate whether bacteria can potentially act as a self-healing agent in concrete. The development and application of biochemical agent when incorporated in concrete, which autonomously and actively to increase the strength and durability of concrete. What is bacterial concrete? It is a special type of concrete invented by a group of researchers under the head of Henk Jonkers. Bacterial concrete is also known as self-healing concrete. It's specially made to increase the lifespan or the durability of concrete structure by the self-healing action of that concrete. There are various bacteria used in the concrete. The bacteria are Bacillus pasteurii, Bacillus subtilis, etc. Following materials are used for bacterial concrete: cement, sand, coarse aggregate, water, and microorganism. What special present in bacterial concrete? There are two things present in bioconcrete: the special bacteria that have resist the alkalinity and the mechanical stress of concrete. The suitable chemical precursor found to be most suitable is calcium lactate. Preparation of bacterial concrete. Self-healing bacterial concrete can be prepared in two ways: by direct application, and another one is encapsulation in lightweight concrete. Chemical process of bacterial concrete. When the water comes in contact with the unhydrated calcium in the concrete, calcium hydroxide is produced by the help of bacteria, which act as a catalyst. This calcium hydroxide reacts with atmospheric carbon dioxide and forms limestone and water. Advantage of bacterial concrete: self-repairing cracks without any external aid, significant increase in compressive strength and flexural strength when compared to normal concrete, reduce the permeability of concrete, better resistance towards freeze and thaw attack. Disadvantage of bacterial concrete: cost of bacterial concrete is double than conventional concrete. Growth of bacteria is not good in any atmosphere and media. Design of mixed concrete with bacteria: there is no available any IS code or other code. Application of bacterial concrete. Bacterial concrete extend the life of bridge and tunnels. This concrete is used for green roofing. Bacterial concrete is used for long-lasting river bank. This is used for low-cost durable housing. This is used for high-strength building with more bearing capacity. Future scope of bacterial concrete: construct the low maintenance cost and high strength structure. The service life of structure is increased. This concrete can be used as replacement of conventional concrete.